Hey, greetings and welcome, family and friends, back to another Miller Quarantine DIY. This project, we're going to be doing a revitalization of my current fence. As you see here, this fence has been up for quite a few years. This particular section's been up maybe a year, and the one you're looking at right now has been up for maybe 7 to 10 years. So basically, what I just started out doing was all of the fencing that's been up for a while, just pressure washing it, making sure that you clean it very well, because preparation is the key to ensure that the stain sticks to it properly. As you see, after I pressure wash the entire fence, I allow it 48 hours to totally dry before I apply any stain to the fence area. So the section that I didn't pressure wash, as you can see, the side that has the 2x4s going from side to side, that's the side that's going to get covered up by the new pickets that I'm going to add. So I didn't need to pressure wash that area. And you'll see that in the next couple photos here. So once I added a couple more 2x4s so that the new pickets could, I can have an area to nail in the new pickets. This was the final product. You can clearly see the pickets that are brand new because they're a lot lighter versus the pickets that were already there that I pressure washed. I didn't take any time to pressure wash the brand new pickets because there's no need to. They were not dirty. So moving on to the next phase of this project, preparing to stain the fence, I used a Wagner power stainer along with a nice paintbrush. As you see, just applying the paint evenly and then going behind it with a paintbrush so to prevent any running or dripping. And these are just a couple photos of that process. So I used two different kinds of color stain because I had the main fence, as you see here. This is the fence that lines the main road in the community, which I'm responsible for on my side. That was a darker brown color, so I wanted to keep that consistent with what was going out throughout the neighborhood. And this is my fence within my backyard that I used a more chocolate color brown, and I think it turned out very, very nice. I think one big thing you got to focus on is to ensure that you're taking time to apply the stain evenly. So I appreciate you taking the time to check in on another Miller Quarantine DIY. I think this project came out nice. I love the color. I love how it accents and complements the color of the house. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy your weekend.